So, hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that has transformed the way we learn, technology in a flexible remote learning setup. In a world where education is no longer confined to a traditional classroom, technology has become the key to accessibility, efficient, and engaging learning experiences. Okay, so let's talk about it downhill. Okay, so technology enables students to learn anytime, anywhere with online platforms, interactive tools, and virtual collaboration spaces. Okay, so learners can access lessons at their own pace, whether through video lectures, live discussions, or AI-powered tutors. Technology adapts to individual learning styles, making education more personalized and effective. Okay, so another major advantage is connectivity. Students and teachers can collaborate instantly no matter where they are. Tools like cloud storage, discussion forum, and virtual classroom ensures seamless communication and access to resources, fostering to a more interactive and engaging learning environment. Okay, so moreover, technology enhances productivity, automated assessments, real-time feedback, and digital non-taking apps. Streamline the learning process, allowing students to focus on understanding concepts rather than managing paperwork. Okay, so pagkakaintindi ko lang dito talaga guys, sa totoo lang is nagawa ang technology para sa atin lahat, para pakinabangan natin, businessman yan or sa school or basta yun ang pagkakaintindi ko guys. Kahit nasa bundok ka, tingnan mo naman parang ako bang bike lang ng bike pero pumapasok pa rin, di ba? Mga ganung galawan lang guys. Kaya easy lang kayo guys, easy lang. Parang ito, tingnan nyo ito. Oh, isang malaking steep. Oh, kaya tayo yan. Oh, go. Takbo lang ng takbo yung bisikleta natin. May pasok pala tayo. Hindi tayo nakapasok ng Google Meet ni Sir. Pero sa next meeting, papasok tayo. Isang bike lang muna tayo. Minsan lang makabike Sir eh. Minsan lang naman. Kaya ito po siya ngayon. Bang. Bagabam. Pababa lang ng pababa. Oh, isang matinding ride. Okay, panoodin nyo na to guys hanggang matapos tong video. Salamat. Siyempre hindi pa rin matatapos dyan. Raratrahin pa rin natin yan. Tapos mamaya titignan natin requirements ni Sir kung ano pa yung kulang natin sa kanya para pumasa tayo guys. Puting na tayo dun. Papadyakan natin ng konting padyak lang. Another turn, yan na yun. Pero actually guys, kakatapos na ng Google Meet natin yan kay Sir, pero yun lang, naisipan ko lang tamakbo muna sa bundok bago ko gawin tong. Wala rin kasi akong maisip na pang vlog eh, kaya ito na lang. Nga pala, dito tayo pala sa Baguio City itong araw na to. Dito tayo sa Lawakan Airport, kung tawagin ay Sayote. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kamote ang tawag nila dito guys. Ginawa pa nila kaming kamote riders, diba? Yan tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung tanawin dito sa amin. Yan, katabi niyan, Lawakan Airport na yan. Wow, ganda ng bundok. Pero pababa na ulit tayo. Tapasukin natin itong isang matinding turn na to. So may makikita kang tabletop na bato. Yan rock. Wow. Oh, galing po tayo na. Dami ng mga yun na isa pa yan. Wow. Sabi na kasi papasok na lang ako. Sige na, pasok muna ako guys. Bye guys. Kita na lang ulit sa next vlog.